Hi everyone. Today's unboxing is going to be of the Apple USB charger. Let's get a look at the box before we unbox it. Pause if you want to read. Okay, so let's unbox this. This way, yeah. There we go. And let's dig in and see what's in here. We are greeted with, take this out, we have the small Apple charger itself. I like that white. Let's put that to the side. Then we have the USB cable. Apple USB power adapter. I'm sorry if y'all heard my stomach in the background. Okay. So that's all to it. So here you have the Apple USB charger. So there it is. So for now, that's it. Hi everyone, this is going to be the first attempt to test the Apple USB charger. So let's plug it in. First we'll plug the USB into the plug, or plug that into there. Then let's plug the cord into the iPod Touch. This way. There we go. Okay. Take the camera off the tripod. I'll knock the tripod down over here. Okay. I'm going to get right here. Unplug the HTC charger. And here we go. It's going to be our first attempt. Very first. So here we go. It works. Got a good charger, so let's go ahead and let it charge. Let's plug it in. So got a good charger. For now, that's it.